In this video, I will show you how to connect Google Analytics to Hostinger website builder. Here, what you'll need to do is to go ahead and click on these three dots. Now go ahead and select integrations from here. So go ahead and click on integrations. So in this section, you'll be able to find Google Analytics. In this section, you'll need to provide your Google Analytics ID. So go ahead and open Google Analytics. Make sure that you have set up your account before you actually try to connect your Google Analytics to your Hostinger website. Once you have set up your account, go ahead and copy your measurement ID and head back to your Hostinger builder website. Head back into that section where you can actually incorporate Google Analytics, paste your Google Analytics ID, and click on Save Changes. And that is how you can simply connect Google Analytics to Hostinger website builder. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.